Namaste. Today I will explain how to do liquid cooling of the IGBT or Thyristor. Here I have mounted one IGBT on a plate. This plate is of aluminium or copper. Here Thyristor is mounted between two plates. When current flows in IGBT or Thyristor, this plate becomes warm and we do the liquid cooling of these plates. Here anode and cathode connections are taken from the plate itself. This is aluminium or copper plate which just I told you. This is solid plate. Inside there is a hollow pipe. What we do, water flows in this hollow pipe. From this tray water goes inside, it flows like this and water comes out here. So this heat is transferred from this plate to this water. Water becomes warm and the temperature of this plate comes down. Type of liquid used is pure water. This does not have any impurities and it is deionized water. When we do these two things, water becomes very good insulator and we can use the water for high voltage application. The water used in the homes cannot be used here. This is the block diagram of liquid cooling. Here we have a pure water. This pure water goes here. Here we remove the impurity again. Then we have a deionizer. I told you just now. Then here we have a sensors. These sense pressure, temperature, flow, ions, impurity, act for protection purpose. If anything is wrong, we will trip the system. Then this water comes here. We have a water pump. With the water pump, this water is sent to IGBT plus plate system. Here water will be cool. Here temperature of water will be more because heat is transferred. Then we cool down this water again using a radiator. This cool water goes here and then again it flows like this. And this will continue. Car engine is also water cooled, but water is mixed with glycol. This is to avoid freezing of water and to avoid a rusting of the engine. In HVDC, snubber resistor or parallel resistor is also water cooled. Water cooling is very efficient. Sometimes we use oil as a liquid. Long back, GTO was there, then oil was used as a liquid. Water cooling is not a new concept. It is a very old concept. Some 40 years back, in 1985, we used water cooling in our few projects, HVDC and SVC.